नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो। आई एम प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर सचिन गुप्ता, HOD of Materia Medica, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, JVWU. Today I am teaching you Lycopodium Part 1. Who are Dr. Hahnemann? Common name club moss, family Lycopodiaceae, affinity on GIT, genitourinary organ, respiratory tract. Diathesis lithic and uric acid diathesis. Relationship sensitive to cold. Miasma, all three miasma. Constitution. Intellectually keen but physically weak. Upper part of body emaciated, lower part semi-dropsical. Predisposed to lung and hepatic affections, especially in extreme of life. Children and old people. Children weak, emaciated, with well-developed head, but puny skin, sickly bodies. Ailments from fright, anger, mortification, and vexation with reserved displeasure. Avarice, greedy, miser, malicious, pusillanimous. Irritable, peevish, and cross on waking. Ugly, kick and scream. Easily angered, cannot endure opposition or contradiction. Seek disputes, is beside himself. Weeps all day, cannot calm herself, very sensitive, even cries when thanked. Dread of man, of solitude, irritable and melancholy. Fear of being alone. Physicals, pain, aching, pressure, drawing, chiefly right-sided, aggravate 4 to 8 p.m. It's a striking feature of lycopodium. Affections right-sided or pain goes from right to left, throat, chest, abdomen, liver, ovaries, opposite to lachesis. Canine hunger, the more he eats, the more he craves. Headache, if he doesn't eat. Waking at night feeling hungry, baby cries all day, sleeps all night. It is MCQ question. Nose catarrh, dry nose is stopped at night, must breath through the mouth, snuffles child, starts from sleep, rubbing its nose of root of nose and frontal sinuses, crusts and elastic plugs. Face complexion pale, dirty, unhealthy, sallow, with deep furrows. Look older than he is. Fan-like motion of Allen-Azzi. Throat diphtheria, causes brownish red, deposits spread from right tonsil to left or descends from nose to right tonsil, aggravate after sleep and from cold drinks. Pneumonia, neglected or maltreated base of right lung, involved especially to hasten absorption or expectoration. CIT, everything tastes sour, eructations, heartburn, water brush, sour vomiting, gastric affections, excessive accumulation of flatulence, constant sensation of satiety. Good appetite, but a few mouthfuls fill up the throat and he feels bloated. Fermentation in abdomen with loud grumbling, croaking, especially lower abdomen. Fullness not relieved by banching, only relieved by a passing gas. Constipation since puberty, since last confinement, when away from home of infants with ineffectual urging, rectum contracts and protrude during stool, developing piles, discharge of blood from genital during every stool. Hernia right-sided has cured many cases, especially in children. References taken from Allen's keynotes by Dr. H.C. Allen. The session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you all are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any doubt, please mention in comment box. I will solve it on problem solving day. Thank you.